Today, we'll be exploring artificial intelligence and cars. That's right, the technology used in self-driving cars. At LINGO, we help you understand that technology is a language that you can learn and that you can use for all sorts of fun and exciting projects that apply to the real world. Most of us have been in a car at one time or another. But how about a self-driving car? For over a century, cars have been taking people from point A to point B as comfortably and safely as possible. The electronics used in early cars look primitive when compared with cars today. With advances in technology, cars have as many as 50 computers, each with its own unique role. They control everything from the brakes to the entertainment system. The number of lines of code that it takes to run all of these computers is staggering. We're talking tens of millions of lines of code. More code than is found in a modern airplane. When you think about everything that cars can do today, it's no wonder. They are basically computer systems with wheels. Self-driving cars increase safety, reliability, and comfort for drivers. Like, for instance, some cars today can literally drive themselves. They know where you like your seat, where the temperature needs to be, and how to find the quickest route through traffic. Some car makers even had some fun by incorporating arcade games. Like, how cool is that? For this project, I'm going to show you how to build a backup sensor for a car. You'll get hands-on experience connecting wires to various sensors and coding a microcontroller. Just hop into the driver's seat and let's get started.